Okay, so today I have to open my browser because it crashed. Here we go. So the goal is to continue this strategy, and instead of putting everything inside of the competition page, I will create another page called quiz. So let's do it. So I can remove the problem is that now I need to fix the competition system because it doesn't make any sense to have the competition here, it should be here. Anyway, I think I just can take all this and delete it. And then inside of the in the card content I can extract this. Yeah, I can extract that, I can remove that, I can extract that and put it down under the card component like that, and sure enough it works. Now I don't necessarily need to just remove the padding etc. since I don't necessarily need to remove the padding since now it's just a component by itself, and I could reuse the same logic of here. I don't know. And I can even increase the size of the image. I don't know where it's really handled. It's here. Size, I can say 24. So it's slightly bigger. We can remove the mock event since we don't need it anymore. Here we go. And then we'll have to modify this quiz events. We could remove this, extract that, then remove the entire card, remove this div and paste this one here. Then we can remove the card content over there. We won't need it either. I mean, we could still have the card content where we can display stats. Don't know yet what exactly we're gonna display, but we can display stuff like that. Okay, so now that we clean element, we can add another one here in the add sidebar, which will be quizzes. And this is going to be, yeah, because the grid doesn't exist. This is insane. Like, matter is really weird. And now under competition we can duplicate this and paste it right here. Instead of saying that it's competition, it will be quizzes. Admin dashboard controller. Would it be admin dashboard controller? That's a great question. Because it also can be managed by the superadmin. So I don't really know. And it would be something quite hard to do. For now, let's put it inside of the admin dashboard controller, and then perhaps we will extract this inside of the proper quizzes controller. Here we go. Turn in the share window. Here we go. So far will be only mocked data. And sure, now we could display it. Yeah, we see the our page. We need to change the icon, so this could be the icon. Yeah, this icon is okay. This could be it. So in our sidebar, we can edit it and paste that here, and then we probably have to import it. Yeah. Not necessarily sure it does exist though. Message circle. I don't know why it's not the same. It's question and here it's question mark. I don't know. But here we are. Pretty way better, in my opinion. Then we're gonna have to change the wording. This would be quizzes. I don't have a type for that yet. Now what we can do is that we can fix the design. This will open a new page right away. So the question is, how do we want the quizzes to be displayed? This is good. This is good. The only thing is that the time, I guess, should be here. Let me see my. Yeah, I think the time should be here. And perhaps the edit button over there. I don't know yet. I think it should kind of look like this. So there is a coherent structure. We should also be able to filter the quiz by status. So when we click on it, we should create a group button that have pending active, and it's not active though, it's pending running finished. So we can easily see the different type of question. So there is a badge. But why this button is over there? I don't get it. Should be in the card header, right? Oh, but we are in the card header, my bad. So it's okay. Card title. Event status shouldn't be in the card title. Should just be a regular div or the card title. Then my fellow light mode user, yeah. Welcome. We are in the morning, so of course I'm gonna use the light mode. Actually, I barely use the dark mode, now that I'm thinking about it. Perhaps in winter, because in winter my screen goes dark sooner, because nights go soon. But other than that, white mode all the way. There we go. Today I'm just trying to fix the display of my quizzes card, and since I'm not really great at design, I'm kind of struggling right now. I wish I could find some inspiration somewhere. Start would be better indeed, I guess. I don't know actually. I think I should remove this from the header. I should put it in the bottom instead of the card content, which behave more as a card footer. I wonder how I display this in my current version of the product. Yeah, in terms of table, but it was different. I can't really do this. I'm not entirely sold by the color of that. I'm just going to ask the AI to fix it. Fix the UX. And let's see what it proposes. What's the solution? Because I don't really know. I even think nowadays it's better to be a designer rather than being a developer for some reason. Seems like if you want to build some product, you just have to build a Figma file, then just import it inside Cursor, and boom, you will have your product. So it has done the thing. So what has it done in terms of design? Like this, 5 question total, 24 point, rugby. This is not optimal. This we could erase that since I already have the information here. Like that. Why there is such a big gap? Flex start, justify start, sorry. Item center, boom, here we go. Now the problem now is that we should change the color. The color is not great. Color should be more blend, not like the obnoxious tailwind color, which are great, but this file is empty. No, it's not. Oh, it's me who write it down. I wonder which color can I use. I don't even know where my tailwind theme is. before it was in the Tailwind config, but now it has changed, and I believe it's inside of the vid configuration. No. Oh, it's the inside. No, it's not TS config. Where is it? I don't know, where is it? It's not inside of that, isn't it? I thought there were several. Anyway. I think it can be accent or muted. I don't know. Where is the background? Here we go. We do not need a dark theme. I don't know why we had this. And I think it can be muted. How does it look? Yeah. And then text. I don't know. What would you text? Muted foreground? Muted foreground? Doesn't seem to be that visible if I just remove the text. Yeah, it's better. And now for the color, I don't know. First, I can just remove the fact that it's uppercase. No. Let me change the color first. What would be ideal color for status like pending and finished? Really? Even for football matches? I don't know. Common color, gray 500, alright. Red 600. Emerald. Postpone. There is innate 3 state, ending, running, finished. It's quizzes, but rated. So sports event like football or rugby, etc. Let's see. And there's a lot of fighter jet coming in my place. So, the color should be amber 500 for pending. Where can I put this inside of this, I guess? Don't really like it, but anyway. And then how did I decide the class? It's not a competition status, come on. Pending. And then the how to in those classes. Did I mention my file? Yeah. Okay. I should remove the cutter of those little icon over there. So I think you can remove, it can be black. Exactly. I don't need a lot of cutters. Using global CSS classes, get status classes. There we go. I think I could even extract that inside of a composable. Anyway. And now here we can say this. get status classes and then the event.status. And now we do have this. Does it look good? I don't know. It looks average, I would say. While running is blue. Shouldn't be red. Apparently no, it's blue. I'll take a break. Oh, actually, let's not take a break because I have to take a break in like 5 minutes or so. 5 minutes or something. So let's continue. I think we can duplicate this element to create another quiz, but this will be finished with an ID 3. Here we go. Now, Shatsian. I think we could use a decent component to just sort. Oh, I know, the tab component. I think there is a tab component and we can tweak it in order just not to use just using the tab list, you know? Actually, I don't know. I don't know what's up. Since I don't know what to do in terms of UX, let's ask the AI. I want to be able to filter the quizzes by status. Build me the front end for that using Shatsian. I don't know if it will do something correct. No clue. Because this couldn't work. How do I filter users? I don't know. Because I want to be able to see everything. I use this as select. Now this is going to be ugly. This is going to be ugly. It will work, but it will be ugly. I'm sure it is. It's not pretty at all. I don't want you to run your fucking test. How do did I filter it? No, I didn't filter. Yeah, remove your test. Mm. Yeah, probably using importer select, add a computed, status filter. Adding a select is perhaps the best option, but I don't think it's necessarily pretty. Let's consider it done. And we're going to modify it. First we can remove this. And adding, instead of margin bottom, can say margin top. Filter by status, all statuses. Can't we have something better? Like, I think we can. Where's the select? Instead of a form, it's looked like this. With a form label. And not something pretty ugly like that. Flex call. Can remove the gap. Item start. Here we go. And indeed we probably need a gap. But perhaps it was better like that. I don't know. Anyway, I'll take a break. I have to wash my clothes. See you in like 5 to 10 minutes. See you in like 5 to 10 minutes. Welcome back. Where was I? Yeah, I was querying this. The filter would have to be fixed because it would be a backend filter, I guess, not a front end. Otherwise, it's pretty decent in terms of UX. Perhaps this could be fixed. Instead of being the flex, it should be like a grid system, grid call 3, and then return position. I don't know how to say it. Align content. Nope. Align item. Align self. Place content. Place item. Place self. No. Justify item. Read that. Justify self. Alright. Now. So this should be I don't know. Flex. Yeah. Oh, justify center. Here we go, and then the button should be inside of a div. As flex, justify, and here we go. Now it's looking good. The only problem is that if I just toggle this sidebar here, I don't know how to do it though. But you see that it's pretty big. It should have a max width, I guess. Otherwise, on a bigger screen it would be impossible to just it would be quite silly. So yeah, and that I should make max width 3XL. 4XL. 5XL. Yeah, 5XL. Perhaps I should just align them, I don't know. Or having a pending, running, finished. I don't know. Perhaps this could be a great option. So you can instantly view which one is in which status. That's an interesting thought. I didn't think about it until right now. Perhaps also it should have like a fast way to edit it. Oh, you know what? Let's not complicate it ourselves. I think it's decent enough like that. We can start to add the translation keys. I feel like I am dead right now. Where is the title? Oh, okay. Actually, I can ask the AI to do it for me. And for the quizzes, view file and add it into the ENGs and the EFGs. Quiz, add quiz, add quiz. Filter by. Select status. And then here status all pending running. Finished. There we go. View. Here we go. And then here we can say add another transition for the points. I hope it will do something correct. I know for the original, for the competition pages, it's something pretty great. So I hope we'll do something similar for that. Manage a quizzes available on the platform. Add quizzes, add a new quiz to your platform. Filter by, select status, or pending running viewplane. Let's see. Add a quiz, in there. Filtered by. We forgot this translation key. We forgot one, but it's fine. We forgot this one. Not this one. And this one. No, it... Oh... It's because it doesn't translate. You shouldn't have a placeholder, right? Should be selected all by default. No, but I think it is. It's just that the translation is not fast enough. Status does all, yeah. That's the problem. It's not the first time I have this problem. Anyway. Since I have to do other things right now, it's pretty much responsive. It's not that responsive, but we can fix the responsiveness here. But I would soon have to do something, as it was a really small stream this morning just to force me to work. Why the gap is not correct. MD flex go. Oh no, my bad. So it's flex flex go and then flex row. Here we go. And then the gap, otherwise the gap will be 2. Looking better like that. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you. It was only 1 hour of work, but I think I did enough. It was pretty cool. Since why this is not translated there? I just have to translate that. Boom, boom. And this week just quizzes. Quiz. And here it will be quizzes. In French, I think we do not. Anyway, here we go. Now we have the right station. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.